Hey fam! Ki here, back with another video, and let me tell you, this one's gonna hit you right in the feels. In today's fast-paced world, we often look for role models in celebrities, athletes, or influencers. But the Qur'an, the timeless book of wisdom, lays out qualities that define the ultimate man. In just a few minutes, you'll discover the 11 essential characteristics of a true leader, protector, and servant of Allah. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, because class is officially in session. Let's get started. Alright peeps, first up we've got Taqwa. Now before you click away thinking it's some complicated religious term, let me break it down for you. Taqwa is all about that deep spiritual connection with the big guy upstairs, Allah. It's like, imagine having a best friend who's always there for you, guiding you, and knowing what's best for you. That's Allah. And Taqwa, my friends, is all about nurturing that friendship. The Quran says, indeed the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Surah Al-Hujurat 49:13. It's not about flexing your muscles or how much bling you got. It's about having a heart of gold, being kind, compassionate, and always striving to do what's right even when no one's watching. Trust me, it's a game changer. Yo fam, let's talk about trust and justice. These are some serious real talk qualities that set the real ones apart from the fakers. The Quran is all about keeping it 100, and it says, indeed, Allah commands you to render trust to whom they are due and judge with justice. Surah An-Nisa 4:58. Being trustworthy means you're reliable, honest, and someone people can count on. It's about keeping your promises, even when it's tough. Like, remember that time you promised your little sibling you'd take them for ice cream? Yeah, that's a test of trustworthiness right there. And justice? That's all about fairness and equality, my friends. It's about standing up for what's right, even when it's hard, even when it means standing alone. It's about treating everyone with respect, regardless of their background, beliefs, or anything else. A real man doesn't play favorites or take advantage of others. He treats everyone with the same level of respect and fairness. Word. Hold up, fam. We gotta talk about patience and gratitude, the dynamic duo of a truly fulfilled life. Life throws curveballs, am I right? It's like, just when you think you got it all figured out, bam, life throws another challenge your way. But guess what? The Quran has our back, yo. It says, indeed, Allah is with the patient. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:153. And, if you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor. Surah Ibrahim 14:7. Patience isn't about being passive or letting life walk all over you. It's about facing challenges with strength, resilience, and faith in Allah's plan. And gratitude? It's like the secret sauce to happiness, man. It's about appreciating all the good stuff in your life, both big and small. So next time life throws you a lemon, make some lemonade, be patient, and never forget to say thank you. Yo fam, let's talk about stepping up and taking responsibility. 'Cause real men ain't afraid of a little responsibility, right? The Quran says, men are the protectors and maintainers of women. Surah An-Nisa 4:34. Now hold up, before you jump to conclusions, this ain't about some outdated gender roles. It's about understanding that true leadership comes with responsibility. Responsibility to your family, your community, and to yourself. It's about being there for the people you love, providing for them, protecting them, and guiding them with love and wisdom. It's about using your strength to uplift others and make a positive impact on the world around you. A real man doesn't shy away from his duties. He embraces them with open arms. Alright fam, last but not least, let's talk about striving for excellence while staying humble. The Quran is all about seeking knowledge, bettering yourself, and reaching your full potential. It says, indeed, Allah loves the doers of good. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:195. But here's the thing, fam, true excellence isn't about bragging or showing off. It's about constantly seeking to improve yourself, to learn new things, and to use your talents to make a positive impact on the world. Now here's where humility comes in. Humility is like the secret ingredient that keeps your ego in check. It's about recognizing that you don't know everything, that you're always a student in the school of life. It's about being open to feedback, learning from your mistakes, and celebrating the successes of others. So let's strive for excellence in everything we do, fam, and stay grounded. So there you have it, 11 timeless qualities of an ideal man according to the Qur'an. These traits aren't just for Muslims, they're a guide for anyone seeking to become a better version of themselves. These qualities, my friends, are like a cheat code to living a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Which of these qualities resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring content. See you in the next video, and don't